The daring birds. Oh, it's so beautiful. Uh-oh, look at it. Let's see if that comes. They really are trusting birds, aren't they? They pretend like, oh no, we're not interested. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's like Hitchcock the birds.
Should I say something to them or?
No, 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 no. They're not bothering you. It's like Hitchcock the birds. The birds! We're being attacked by birds! Oh no! My version of Hitchcock the birds. Look at them, they're not afraid of anything.
Okay.
It's like Trafalgar Square here. What's going on, girls? Oh, the beautiful view.
I didn't care.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. they really
You wanted to give it? You wanted to give it anyway. I guess they're not vegetarians. Look, the weather is changing. Sit a bit. Meditate. They didn't like the batata. I think they didn't like the batata so much. I think the sugar. How was the meal? Good?